Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. First, open the link in the video description. You'll be taken to Adobe's official page. Now, choose your country and click on Start. Free trial. Next, you'll see three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. Choose individual for a single device. It gives you a 14-day free trial and a 30-day free trial for Adobe stock. Click Continue now. Enter your email address and click Continue again. Fill in your basic details, including your card info, but don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends. Then click Agree and subscribe. After that, create your password. Then click the second link in the description to download the Creative Cloud app, install it, and log in with the same email. Once inside, go to the Apps section and click Install next to Adobe Illustrator, and that's it. You're all set to start designing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.